Sage is native to the countries that border the Mediterranean Sea, including Spain, Italy, Egypt, Algeria, Turkey, and Greece. The herb dates back more than 4,000 years and was included among the main ingredients used to embalm the exalted pharaohs. Sage was popularized by the Greeks and the Romans, who introduced the herb to Britain. The word sage has come to mean wise, or a wise or learned person. Sage is often mentioned as the herb of immortality, domestic virtue, health, and wisdom. Sage has oval leaves which are rough or wrinkled and usually downy. The color ranges from a gray-green to a whitish green, and some varieties are variegated. The flowers are borne in spikes and feature tubular, two-lipped corollas that are attractive to a variety of pollinators. Flowers can be purple, pink, white, or red. Used as a companion plant with broccoli, cauliflower, rosemary, cabbage, and carrots to deter cabbage moths, beetles, black fly beetles, and carrot flies. Do not plant near cucumbers, onions, or rue. Sage is an excellent source of vitamin K and source of fiber, calcium, iron, and manganese. The nutrient-dense herb also contains copper, magnesium, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, as well as trace amounts of B-complex and A vitamins, folate, vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Sage leaves contain flavonoids, volatile oils that include terpenes, rosmarinic acid, tannins, camphor, salvin, oil, and pinene.